that he's up on top of the rolling again. I could not believe that. James Foster sits in a silver medal spot. And again, just look at the concentration. I'm frightened to think about what James is going to try to throw into the mix here in this fourth and final run. However, with what we've seen already.
I know what he's capable of. I know the bag of tricks that he has. He has got an arsenal of tricks. So what's he going to unleash?
I'm going to take a deep breath before he rolls in here. This could be absolute bedlam. Here we go. James Foster, fourth and final run. Oh boy, good landing.
Smokes! This last run by everybody, this is insane. The contest has stepped up tenfold.
What happened when that commercial break at the end of round 3?
Oh my gosh! I cannot believe what I'm witnessing.
Being tackled by half of the rest of the field of athletes on the flat bottom.
You know what I'm going to say is I am so glad that I'm sitting up here with you. Look at this. Backflip. 1, 2, 3. Backflip, triple tail whip. Feet on the pedals. Brings it around. Watch this. Bar spin. To downside whip. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness.
Catches his pedals. Lands solid. Such a fantastic run.
And just decides, I'm going to toss the bike at the end of this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
I cannot believe it.
What just happened? Another lead
This is
change.
unreal.
We saw a cash roll and a 540 flare on the quarter pipe, and now James Foster comes out, lays down that run, and he takes the lead by 2 full points.
This has been the most amazing last runs